to my channel. Today I will be showcasing a few aliens from the not very popular, just popular YouTuber called Blaze the E2 Tank Engine. Now, productions. Okay, yeah. Now, let's get on to it. First, here we have is Zack. To make him, you must go here, spawn region. First go to A1 Henry, spawn him, and then delete his, his tender. Drive him a bit forward, then spawn in here, green arrow. Once you spawn him, delete him, and get Henry to couple up to him, and yeah, here you have him. That's Zack from Blaze the E2 Tank Engine. Now, move on to the next one. This is Jade, a classic. All you need to do is just go here, spawn, scroll down a bit, find James. Find James, click him, spawn him, and then click under the wheels, like right here. Hold up. Oh crap! Yeah, right here. That's where you need to put it. Tap. Same thing. Hold on, I'm just gonna show you guys this so you don't mess it up. For the trailer, it's actually not under for the tender. It's not under. It's actually here. You need to press here. So yeah, that will help you get Jade. Now, let's move on. This is the Blaze, the Mr. Blaze himself. Now, to get him, you must, you already know it, spawn an engine. Well, at first it's gonna be regular Thomas, but when you click again here, hold on, just get good positioning, right here. Yes, here. You see that little bump? If you click that, that will get you this skin. And if you click it twice, it will get you Broomstick Thomas. Now, we don't want Broomstick Thomas here. We want the LBSC Thomas. So we can edit it and change it to GNR 16. And then, okay. Oop. Now, let's put him back. These are only the main 6 characters, by the way. Now, this little dude right here is, come on, guess it. Come on. I'm sure you guys will guess it. Go on. I'm waiting. To be honest, I actually forgot his name. I'm trying to remember it. So let me just wait here real quick. Hold on, I think I need to go to go to his channel. I think I forgot. Hold on, guys. Wait a bit. Uh. Oh crap, I forgot. Goodness gracious. Sorry about that, guys. I forgot his name. Well, hold on. Let me just check the whistles here.
Enjoy the rest.
Alright, this is Caleb. So, first, you'll go to the Spawn Engines tab. Once you're in here, scroll down, and you see Edward here? Yeah, do the same thing as this guy. Once you spawn him, you won't spawn Green Arrow. No. You will instead spawn in 98,462. That, and delete him, couple him up to his tender, and yeah, there you have it. Here's Caleb. Now, we move on to Jake. It's my bro, Jake. Now, to get him, you just get pub, and then the first engine that pops up, 1020. Now, actually, as I remember, I don't think this character has a name. He's just called 13. So, same thing as Pug, get 13, and then get 120 tender. I don't think, yeah, he's just a character from Solar Corruption Remastered. Well, this is going to be it for today. I hope you guys like this video. I try my best to keep you guys updated every time I upload. Well, see you next time. Bye!